3 reasons to buy the Honor 90 smartphone. With a stunning 120Hz 6.7-inch screen, the Honor 90 is ideally suited for entertainment. Expect excellent media playback thanks to its high pixel density and HDR10+ support. There's also the option of gaming thanks to the refresh rate, and the Honor 90's processor helps too. The Honor 90 posts big numbers on the camera front, or rear as it were. A stunning 200 megapixel Samsung made ISOCELL sensor does most of the heavy lifting. Ultra wide and depth sensors back up for this phenomenal headliner. Don't discount the front end. Honor has crammed a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor to make social media selfies a snap. The Honor 90 uses a 5000 milliamp lithium polymer battery, promising a lengthy lifespan. 66 megawatt wired charging means you're back to full in double quick time. When load shedding strikes, you'll make it out the other side. A spectacular AMOLED screen, a massively capable camera, and enough battery life to make the most of both characterize the Honor 90. If you want more than 3 reasons, they're all there, but these should be all you need.